There are literally thousands of different ways to promote products from ClickBank. But in this video, I'll show you a brand new and the most profitable method that you can use to promote products from ClickBank. And stay till the end of this video because I'll show you a free traffic source that you can leverage to build your business. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Munib Muhammad and I help people make passive income from their laptop. And if that is something that you're interested in, can you please do me a favor? Can you subscribe and turn on the notification, because I'm coming up with some amazing videos on this channel that you definitely don't want to miss out. So we all know that the ClickBank is a place where you can easily find products to promote. But the majority of the products that are on ClickBank are of very low quality. So you definitely don't want to promote something which is of low quality, because you'll get a lot of refunds and you'll lose the credibility and trust from your audience. Later on, if you ask them to buy something else from you, the chances are they're not gonna buy. So before we hop onto ClickBank and start promoting products, we want to do some research to get the data, stats, and be very strategic about it. So to find the data, I use a site called cbsnooper.com. So inside CB Snooper, here you can see there are top 5 rising products. These are the top 5 rising products. These are the failing products, and these are the top 5 ClickBank products. So what you want to do here is you want to go to the top 5 rising products and select any product that you want. Let's check XCPure. And it will give you a bunch of data about the product. Here you can see, based on the gravity score, there is a huge spike in the gravity. That means a lot of affiliates are making sale on this product right now. And it has a very good overall score, overall rank as well. It has a overall rank of 2. Initial earnings are good, 151. Average earnings, commission, 75% commission, which is very good, right? Here, what you can do in CB Snooper is you can click on reports and check the peaking products. These are the peaking products, and these are the hot products. These are the hot products. Okay, so the idea over here to go on CB Snooper is to check the data and stats, because on ClickBank doesn't show you the stats and the reports. So just because we want to be very strategic about which product we want to promote, that's the reason we are here on CB Snooper. So these are the top 5 falling products. You definitely don't want to promote these products. So once you figure out the product that you want to promote is, you want to go to clickbank.com. You just copy the name of the product that you want to promote and paste it on ClickBank. This is XCPure. I'm copying it. Go to Marketplace and paste it. Here you can see XCPure. So on the affiliate page of XCPure, let's see if they are giving us any tools. And from here you can get the links, the email swipes they are giving it, and all these things, right? So to promote this product, all you have to do is click on promote and enter your nickname. This is my account nickname, and click on generate hop link. So this is your affiliate link. Whoever buys the product from this link, you will get 85% commission. Sorry, 75% commission. But now you want to send traffic to your affiliate link. There are a lot of different ways to generate traffic. You can do paid traffic if you want faster results, or you can go for free traffic if you don't want to invest your money. So for free traffic, the best platform that you can leverage is Google and YouTube, because these are the search engines. People are going on Google and YouTube to find a solution to a problem. That's when it gets very easy for you to make a sale, because on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, people go there when they want to kill the time. Now, I'm not telling you that you cannot make a sale on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. You can, but it's very easy for you to make a sale on Google and YouTube comparatively. YouTube is a long-term sustainable business. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok can close in the future, but Google is going nowhere. YouTube is going nowhere, right? So that's why we want to create content around these two platforms. Now, don't freak out if you don't want to show your face and you're not comfortable in front of the camera. I'll show you exactly in this video how to make YouTube videos. So number one step is I want you to go to VIDIQ.com. It's a tool for YouTube, and it's very cheap. You know, you'll get the Pro version for $7.50 and the Boost version for $39 per month. I highly recommend you to go for the Boost version. It's $39 per month, but believe me guys, you'll get a lot more money from this tool. If you cannot spend $39, please go for the $7.50 per month, because it helps you do the keyword research. In the Pro version, in the Boost version, they also help you with the SEO and title description. Now, what this tool does is, let me just log in. What this tool does is, you can do keyword research and you'll get a lot of keyword ideas as well. So if you go to keywords here, and let's say if you're promoting a weight loss product, you can type in weight loss over here and it will give you a lot of keyword ideas and a lot of data and stats on this keyword. Here you can see for weight loss tips, 140,000 people searched last month for this keyword, weight loss tips, but the competition is very high. So you want to find a keyword where there is a decent search volume with a low competition. So do some research. I found this one called weight loss plateau. If you search this keyword, let me show you how. If you search this keyword, how to break a weight loss plateau, 1,000 or 1,500 people search for this keyword and the competition is very low, right? So spend some time, do some keyword research and find something which has a higher search volume and low competition, right? When you get a keyword idea, now what you want to do is go to pexels.com. Here you will find a lot of free stock images and videos that you can use without having any issue. You can use pexels.com or you can also use storyblocks.com. These are free, guys, so you don't have to worry about anything and you won't get in trouble using these images or videos. These are all free stock images and videos. You can simply go to the search bar and type in weight loss and it will give you tons of different results. Here you can see all sort of different results on weight loss if you are just promoting a weight loss product. Now what you can do is you can read the articles. You can read the articles and consume some data from the YouTube itself and make your own content and put that stock images and videos on the screen and you record your voice. If you don't want to record your voice, if you don't want to use your voice, you can hire someone from Fiverr.com for just $5 and do that for you. Now you make content around the product that you're promoting, and then you send people to the description where you'll be putting your affiliate link. Now the lazy way to do is you can directly put your affiliate link. That's fine, but I'm a huge believer of email marketing. If you don't know how powerful email marketing is, then check out this video. For that, to build your email list, you need to build an opt-in page. To build the opt-in page, I use a software called clickfunnels.com. It's $97 per month, but don't worry, you'll get 14-day free trial. Within that 14-day, hopefully you're able to make some sales and you'll be good to go. I use ClickFunnels because of a lot of different reasons. You can build sales funnels and do a lot of other things as well. It's the best tool out there to build sales funnels. There are some other tools as well, like system.io, group funnels and all those things. ClickFunnels is the best when it comes to sales funnel, and I'll leave the link in the description below. That's obviously my affiliate link. Go ahead, check it out. If you want me to make a separate video on the tutorial for ClickFunnels, just let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to learn how to make high ticket commissions in affiliate marketing and build a sustainable long-term business, then check the link below in the description as well. I'll see you in the next video.